Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make sausage roll. But these sausage rolls we'll be making today, we're going to add a twist to it. We're going to put some peppers, so I'm going to call it peppered sausage roll. And if you notice, I've changed my apron. It's still from Golden Stages. So check out our Instagram page at Golden Stitches 22. Thank you. So for our peppered sausage rolls, we need flour, Maggi cube, egg, some peppers, as you can see, different colors. So I have diced them out thinly, very thinly. So they're going to be very beautiful with the onion. Salt, some salt. Of course, we'll need pork sausages. You can use any sausage of your choice, but I'll be using pork sausages. For fire, because I want it a bit spicy, I'll be adding some black pepper and very cold water. And of course, we need some of baking powder. If you have not checked out my video on how to make best Nigerian meat pie, you need to do so that you will know exactly how to go about the mixing of the flour. The dough is ready. I'm going to allow it to rest in the fridge. That's why I said you need to check out my meat pie recipe and you will see exactly how I mix my dough. See, it's not too hard, it's not hard, and it's not too soft, it's in between. So while the dough is resting in the fridge, we'll move on to making our peppered sausage. Now it's time to make our sausage. I got fresh sausages here. Now I'm going to remove the skin. Our dough is out of the fridge. It has rested enough. And this is how beautiful the sausage looks like. So the next stage is I will dust my worktop. Just a little. Take the dough I need at a time and roll out, but we are looking for a rectangle shape. But before I do that, I need to preheat the oven, and let me show you something. I've already prepared my baking tray. So what I'm doing is, as I'm preheating the oven, I'm going to put it inside the tray inside. What this one will do is the tray will get heated up when the sausage roll goes on top. As it's cooking on top, because the tray is hot, the sausage roll will also cook from the under, and that will make it cook evenly and nicely. So let's get started. Then our beautiful sausage coming. So it's time for us to roll over. As you can see, I didn't start from the edge. I left some and I left here. Roll over. 1, 2. That's why it is called sausage roll. 3 and a bit. The remaining one, I cut it off. Then what I will do is roll it over. This is where I normally do mine. Some people they use an egg, so I just press it. I'm not cutting it, I'm just pressing it to seal it. And you press it down, so you see, neatly tucked in. So what I'll be doing now is I'll cut off the edge and I'll cut off this edge. Then I'll get it nice. So I'm ready to cut now. It depends on the size you want. If you want it very small, you can, but I want it this size. And that's it. So I'll keep on doing it. When I'm done, I will let you see. Our yummy sausage rolls are ready. You can see them. Look at the inside, so beautiful, so colorful. And when you check the bottom, you will see it's done, bottom and the top. That was why I put the baking tray and I was preheating the oven. Wonderful. So have some. Let me have some. This is heavenly. I'm not joking. You need to try this recipe. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to always explore, because when you explore you discover a lot. Today we have discovered that we can put peppers in our sausage to make sausage rolls, and they are so heavenly wonderful. And you don't have to do the same, use the same ingredients and cook them the same way often and often. It will be boring. So you need to be creative when it comes to cooking. It's time for me to go and enjoy my sausage rolls. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not, leave your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification bell, because that will make you to be notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, bye.